All right, do you want to learn how I nearly 5x my revenue in 12 months time? Now we're going to focus on step 1 now. Okay, step 1. So how did I nearly 5x my revenue in 12 months? Well, first of all, step 1, follow the recipe. This is the recipe that all big businesses use, right? Now, I have worked in big businesses in London and Sydney, and they all follow this recipe because it works. It isn't something I created myself. I wish it was, but I can't claim it. I just use it and teach my clients how to use it too. So follow the recipe. What is the recipe? Number 1, first and foremost, you need to do a business plan, right? Remember the famous saying, and Taylor Swift says it as well, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail, right? You need a plan. You need to know where you're heading. It's like hopping in a car with the sat nav and saying, where do you want to go? I have no direction, right? If you don't give it a direction, the car doesn't know where you need to go. So you need a business plan. Now, with all of these steps here, in my subsequent videos, we're going to go through in detail how to do them. This is just the recipe video. Okay, so 1, follow the recipe. 2, you need a business plan. 3, this is where I see it go all so wrong. You need to set goals. And when you set goals, you need to put people's name next to them and a date and check in on them all the time. We will cover this more in the goal setting. But I find so many customers do a business plan, they're super pumped, it was a great day, then they put it in the drawer and it collects dust. So the goals stop it from collecting dust and keep you accountable. So it's super important. It's actually one of the most important things. The next thing you need to do is you need to do a budget, an operational budget and an asset budget. We will go through that in detail later. But you need to do a personal and company budget too, right? Then you need to do a cash flow. Do you for a cash flow for a 12-month period based on your business plan and your budget? Do you have enough cash to see your dreams come true? And your dreams are this business plan up here, your rainbows and unicorns. And you need to do a budget to see if you can deliver these rainbows and unicorns, and a cash flow to see if you've got the cash. Remember, the cash is the oxygen running through your business. Without cash, it will die, literally. Okay, so this is all the unicorn and rainbow section, right? Once you've done that, the last step to the recipe, and I know I said goals were very important, but this is part of your goals, is the monthly reporting. You need to get your results out every month and compare what is actually happening versus your budget, your rainbows, that's rainbows and unicorn, to reality, right? And if reality does not equal rainbows and unicorns, you're going to need to work out why it's not working, fix it, change it, set some goals around it. This is all kind of chicken and egg circular, right? They all interlink, and this is the recipe to success. Now, my subsequent videos are gonna go through and how you deliver each of these recipes, right? They've got a recipe within themselves. So get to know your numbers to grow your business, right? But this is what you need to do to 5x your revenue in a 12-month period. All right, know your numbers, grow your business.